Ding, Ray, ding, me. Ha! Ding! Ding?
Don't forget to add the extra chocolate chips to the cookie mixture for our very special guest, Fuzzly.
Of course, Chef Jeff. Spotted! The squeaky peepers are in trouble in the dining room. Sorry, Chef Jeff, we have some Fuzzly trouble.
Quick, you better go!
Fuzzly trouble can't delay! To the rescue, save the day! Yeah! Hi-ya! Hee-hee! Do-do-do! Yeah!
Abby, Bosley, you're here! Otis, are you okay? What happened? Do, Ray, me, now voices are gone! Okay, peepers, let's try and sing into this microphone. You may be able to practice with this for the time being. That's it, sing as loud as you can. Me, sing for me. There has to be a way. There must be something that we can do to fix your voices in time for tonight. I know, the Fuzzly Care Case. There's always a remedy to fix any problem in there. Boo-boo cream, Band-Aids. I'll search my pouch too. Trousers, hairbrush, straw. Straw!
Brain spark!
Straw? The homemade lemonade. I'll be back in a flash. Right, let's try some of Chef Jeff's secret recipe. Take 2 sips each. Otis, would you like to do the honors? Woohoo! All together. La! Me, dancing. Me. Pop goes the bubbles. Peeperific! Abby, sound found. Chef Jeff coming and he has cookies.
Whoa, what a party! You sure do sound ready for tonight. How about a batch of Chef Jeff's delicious chocolate chip cookies?
Yum, yum. La! I think we can take that as a yes. Ooh. Dough. Me. La, la, la. Whoa!
I can't wait for all these kitchen improvements.
I think the best donut maker ever will come in great use here.
Me too, Teeny Terry. After all, only the finest for Chef Jeff's delicious double stuffed donuts.
You sure are right.
Can you smell that, Teeny Terry?
I think I can hear something coming from the kitchen too.
Let's go and see what all the ruckus is about. My kitchen! My sweet, sweet kitchen!
Oh no, Squeaky Peepers, what have you done? Wow, Princess Flug, these flowers smell fuzzalicious. Me, more flowers for me. Don't worry, we'll keep going until there's no more flowers. The Fuzzly spotter. Spotted, the peepers are in trouble in the kitchen.
Fuzzly trouble can't delay! To the rescue, save the day! Yeah! Hi-ya! Hee-hee! Do-do-do! Yeah! Woohoo! Ready, Bosley? Ready! Then let's ride!
We're here. You must help us.
P.U. What's that smell?
My super special old super duper cheese.
Whoa, that really packs a punch, Chef Jeff.
To make matters worse, now all of my other food is ruined with the smell of cheese.
Me, perfume for me!
Brain spark!
We can use the fantastic smell of Princess Flug's perfume to cover up the bad smell of Chef Jeff's stinky cheese. The smell of flowers is overpowering the scent from your cheese. Add flowers to your heart's content, Princess Flug. No more cheese. Exactly, Bosley. The smell of cheese will be no more. Me saving the day! Me! That's right, Princess Flug. You're doing fuzztastic. Bosley, can you use your propeller ears to spread the scent around the whole hotel? Copter ears, go! That's it, Bosley! Me! More roses, me! Perfect. For me! Wow, Princess Flug, I've never seen you so happy. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Wow, just like that. The room is peeperifically clean.
Some might say squeaky clean.
Baking, baking, baking! Cook up storm and be the winner, winner, winners! Me excited for Hotel Bake Off, me. Flour goes in, Princess Flug berries. Fresh sweet fruit. Me get berries, me. Uh-oh, rabbit holes. Rabbit dig up garden rabbits. Me found berries, me. You're back! Just in time. Berries, berries, berries! Me baking me! Chef Jeff will be so proud, proud, proud! Look, Bosley, I'm the queen. Great, Your Highness.
The Fuzzly spotter!
Spotted! Curly and Princess Flug are in trouble in the kitchen.
Fuzzly trouble can't delay! To the rescue, save the day! Yeah! Hi-ya! Hee-hee! Do-do-do! Yeah!
Woohoo! Ready, Bosley?
Ready!
Then let's ride! Yeah! Me, help me! What's happened? Here I am! Now Curly's stuck, stuck, stuck! Okay, let's get you down! Wow! Smells yummy. Whoa! Uh-oh, now we really do have a big problem on our hands. Right, okay. First things first, let's get you both back to normal. Bosley, search your pouch for something that will shrink you back to normal size. Giant banana? Sorry, Bosley. Not sure that will help. Rubber chicken? No. Salt? No. Wait! Huh?
Brain spark!
Adding salt to any mixture will stop it from growing. The #1 rule taught at Chef Jeff's school. Try, try, try! Great. Princess Flug, let's get salting. Working! Fuzztastic! Keep going, Princess Flug. Chef Jeff has all the answers. There's more more salt than Bosley and Curly. Yay! Old size. Woohoo! We did it! Me saved the day, me! Now let's enjoy a batch of Chef Jeff's donuts and worry about the bake-off next year. Woohoo! Yeah! Thanks, Abby!
Watch another video below.